Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Friday, August 9th. Took a ride, I don't know, it was yesterday. I took a ride on the Goldwing. I'm on the Spyder today. Got to get them all, a few miles on them. So it is, what is it, 7:36. So it's actually, didn't get to, I think the high today was only 91. What did the watch say? It says 89. This says 93. That's not right. This thing's always off. It's always like 4 degrees higher than what it actually is. That thing's not accurate. Never has been, actually. Neither is the speedometer. Yeah, the speedometer's pretty close. According to the GPS, 56, 55 on the speedometer. So 1 mile an hour off. Not too bad. So not really going anywhere, just taking a little ride because I left a little earlier because it wasn't as hot. It's like last night I think I went like 8:45 and it was still 93 degrees. So it didn't even hit 93 today, which is kind of nice. We had some showers come through, but we didn't get any. There were some showers that came through the area just a little bit farther north of where I live. Kind of stunts. I was hoping I'd get some of my grass watered instead of my sprinklers. Save a little water. I'm really itching to take a trip, but it's kind of hard to do when we watch our grandkids every day. I really want to take off for a week or so, and I'd love. Ooh, the buzzards are eating a deer that got hit. I'd love to take off for a few days and just go up into the mountains. I love the mountains. I'd take this. It'd be kind of fun to go up the mountains on this. I've never done any big trips on this. I got 25,000 miles on it, and they're just like trips like this. And I used to ride it back and forth from the Austin area up to our new house we were doing. I rode this a couple times, the Goldwing a couple times, and about a 250-mile trip each way. But it's kind of nice out, so going for a ride. I've had some people ask me about, I took the rear tire off of this and put a new car tire on it that I forgot what it was, but it's what everybody else is putting on the rear. And I put it on and I didn't film it just because people want me to always film it, and I think it's just never, it's like Murphy's Law, nothing ever goes as planned. So I didn't film it, and I know when I do stuff like that, it probably takes a little bit longer, so I don't want videos like an hour and 30 minutes or, over an hour. I don't watch them that long. I guess I would if, I used to watch this one guy. He had the older Spyder, it's yours, own it or whatever, and he did all his own work, and I watched his stuff all the time, but he hasn't done anything in over 5 years, so I guess he sold his Spyder, which is kind of a bummer. I always watched his videos. I thought they were really interesting, and he just did everything. Bye.